guess what? We're finally on the Fiesta. Take this engine out and whack this one in. So let's crack on now. Right, or where to start? So, obviously, let's just take the battery out first. So, we whip the battery off. Just don't exactly want to go bang. So that'd be 10mm. So this whole engine is coming out. Right, let's put that on there. What I'm going to do is do all the top bit first, and then what we'll do is we'll take the wheels off, we'll drop all the oil out, the gearbox and everything, take the drive shafts out. But for now, let's get all this sort of stuff off. Alright, where should we start? Let a decent guy that gave me the engine that I bought off. Disconnect this, shut off the ECU, take all the wiring harness off, take the exhaust off, and then Bob's your uncle. Alright, so let's just start taking this whole front bumper off. Take the whole headlights off, take the whole bumper off, put that somewhere safe. I'm going to take all the rad off, because it's all got to come off anyway. And then take the engine out straight out there, put the other one in, with the gearbox all fitted to it. I'm going to take the gearbox apart and check all the clutch and everything. So obviously this clutch is decent, so I might swap them around, but we shall see. So first things first, let's remove this front bumper. Shove all them in there. Right, so that's all done. So that's all off there. What we'll do is got some torques here. Best thing to do, what I do is I'm going to jack this up now, whack on the axle stands, and then loosen these wheels first. Centre out as well. Centre no, because then it's ready. What is this? 32 normally, isn't it? 32, yep. Just check if 30 fits. That's 32. Oh, 32. Let's crack that off. That's nice and easy. That one's off. This one off. Right, let's jack this beast up. Right, let's see what I've got behind here. All the little torques. What is this one? No, it is that one. What is this one? they always fill up with crap. So you've got to clean it up a bit. Right. That. Go on there nicely. Out and get into everything. So just undo these. Come out like that. Right, just put it over there for now. Now, as you can see, to get this bumper off, you need to undo right. There you go, guys. That's one bit of the bumper off. Just got to do the same to the other side. Pot. Now this should. It's got spotlights. Nope, nothing fancy. It's just a boring style. So now what we should have is a couple under here, which is holding the whole thing. If no, this tray's actually gone, so all we've got to do is just basically push this up. And this little tab up. Now, guess what, guys? This bumper's off. Just like that. Shove it out for now. Alright, what we do is we'll take his headlights out now. Torx T30. First, disconnect this with a screwdriver that I haven't even got now because I can't find it. Disconnect this, all you do is you just pull this back like that towards the car. Oh, you just put it like that, so you start the tab, keep on jiggling it, that will come off. Now, get the T30. That's not the T30, it's the T30. Remove that. And then what you do is all you do is just lift this up. You don't even need to take the bumper off to do this. A lot of cars you do. This one you don't. Look how easy that is. What I always do, because it helps me, instead of throwing all these random ones, like the headlight ones in the pot, I just remove the headlight, just like that, and I put this back in there, and I'll put this one back in there, and all we got to do is move them again. What I'm going to need is some sort of bucket. Let's nick my neighbour's bucket, I'm sure he won't mind. What I'll do is empty all the coolant out. I think we found the problem with the flood damaged engine. There's that. That. Big asshole there. Underneath. And obviously there's another one in the back which I haven't shown you yet. that's how you drain the what was it? 19mm. Undo that. Drain all the gearbox all up. Got the jack underneath the engine. What I've got to do is undo these and that earth. Take this gearbox mount off here, just down there, and then also obviously you've got one more just there. Obviously once the exhaust is all disconnected, this whole engine should come straight out. So I'll do that now. I'll just loop that through there. Loop that through there a couple of times. So it's literally got 3 belts wrapped around it. And that, it's not even going to snap. You can use a single one, but I always like to have protection. So now we'll set the hoist up and go from there.